bloody need? You go to cut a piece of pipe and your bloody disc is too small. Don't you just hate it? But there's more than one way to skin a bloody cat. I'm so retarded. Fuck! That's all you bloody need. I wonder. I'm so retarded. Yuck a minute. Move them round a bit. What the hell did you think of that? Now, you never thought that was gonna work. I tell you what, Pete's got tips for you. What do you reckon? Cardboard grinder disc. I think that deserves another beer. See you next time.